Thieves could be targeting your van right now. With van theft on the rise, basic lock and alarm systems simply aren't enough. Thankfully, Car Keys Solutions is here to help. As experienced auto locksmiths, we know exactly what it takes to keep your van or fleet of vans safe, so you can focus on running your business. Are you a tradesperson, constantly in and out of your van to grab tools while fielding calls from suppliers and customers? Have you ever forgotten to lock those van doors, leaving your expensive kit up for grabs? Never worry again when we install Slam Locks. Close your van doors and they'll lock automatically every time. Only those with the correct security key can open them up again. For that added layer of security, especially when your van is fully loaded or parked for extended periods of time, we can also install deadlocks. These bolt locking devices are fitted to the body of your vehicle and open with a unique key. Perfect if your van is shared with multiple sets of auto keys in circulation. But for the ultimate security, should the worst happen, you need an immobiliser, a car thief's worst nightmare. We'll discreetly install a Ghost Immobiliser system that is undetectable and is connected with existing buttons on your steering wheel, center console or door panel for deactivation. The thieves won't have a clue it's there. Your engine won't start unless you enter a unique PIN or pair via Bluetooth to a fully encrypted app on your smartphone. So if thieves do manage to break into your car or even tow it away, they won't be able to drive it. But how will you know where it ends up? That's easy. With our real-time GPS vehicle tracking installed, you can pinpoint it for police on a map. What's more, day-to-day vehicle tracking also means you can quickly calculate mileage for expenses and even let customers know where your team is en route. For complete peace of mind, protect your vehicle with Car Keys Solutions.
Call us now